are we?
We're on the car.
Oh my gosh. Look at how cloudy it is. Like you can't really see anything.
Can you guys get lower? Oh wow. I need water. I feel bad, but okay. We're both dead.
Look at this. Oh my god. What was your verdict of the first night?
I had a lot of fun at Muramasa. That was like the most tired.
Like my favorite show was like something that I didn't even come for, which was like Nothing But Thieves. Is that the band? Oh my god, I just got slapped by a branch.
We're walking to the bus now.
Yeah.
Home. No, back to the hotel.
Oh my god, it's so dark. Can you barely see our faces?
We're in the bus.
I'll see you guys later in the hotel. Oh, funny story, I'll tell you guys in the hotel as well. But yeah, later. Hey everybody, so we are back at the hotel. Actually, the hotel that we're living in is haunted. There are a lot of like stories of like random hauntings in this hotel, like guests just experiencing really like weird stuff. I wish I had like videoed the cable ride back up, and I can see why. Like the cable ride back up was so freaking like scary. Alyssa's in the shower right now because she doesn't want to hear like what I have to say about the haunted hotel that we're currently living in. I'm just gonna peace out tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, hope you enjoyed whatever I put together so far, but there'll be more, so stay tuned. Okay, so it is day 2 of our music festival adventure, and we are in a different room that's not as shady as before. I don't think I've mentioned the story of how we got the room. Yeah, Alyssa and I will tell you the story later. Alyssa's right there, by the way. Yeah, so we have a nicer room now. We didn't really show the other room because it was kind of like
Really small.
yeah, depressing. So at least we have a nicer room now, and it's so much cheaper too, which is so like so stupid. Alyssa's so triggered by like the price that we paid for that room. Guys, later we're gonna grab lunch really quick and maybe go on an alcohol hunt because we really need to get hyped. We weren't hyped enough last night. We definitely need to get some alcohol. So yeah, we're gonna head to the mall really quick, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, so we're back from shopping because she wants to get a nap in before tonight, and yeah, she does. And I am gonna do a little mini haul. I got a glitter liner from Too Faced, a waterproof eyeliner. It's called Cake Pencil from Kat Von D. I have an Anastasia brow wiz because I keep borrowing Alyssa's stuff, which is not ideal. And I got a mask to put on while she sleeps for 2 hours or 1 hour. And yeah. What else? Oh, we also got soju. So as you can see, there's an assortment of flavors right here. It is amazing. And yeah, we're gonna get cracked tonight. We came up with this like low-key ingenious idea of emptying our water bottles that we bought from last night and just putting our soju in, because soju is clear. And like, because you can't like bring alcohol beverages or any beverage of any kind into the site, so we're like gonna like drink it on a cable car and just sort of like chug it when we get there. So yeah, that is the plan. And Alyssa has a friend that is going to be parked right outside the site, and he's gonna have like some stuff there as well. And whenever we're not feeling it again, we'll just walk out and just sort of like take a little sip to sustain ourselves throughout the night to keep us hyped, you know. So yeah, that is the plan, and I'm super excited, and I will see you guys later when we get ready and stuff. And yeah, or maybe when I put on a mask, we'll see better. So yeah, see you guys later. When they open, can we promise each other that we're going to the new Disneyland? Oh my god. So this is us post-festival and I look kind of ratchet right now. Oh my gosh, I met one of like the people that like I genuinely admire. Like I really love like strong-willed women who like really stand for something, and like one of them was like a friend and I met her at a party, and like because of like fucking soju I had the liquid courage to say like, oh my god, I admire you so much and I fucking like love you. And yeah, I'm really proud of myself for that a lot, because like, I'm quite a pussy when it comes to these things, like social situations. I'm such a pussy. Liz is probably like in the shower being like, what the fuck is she talking to herself? But it is what it is. I'm just gonna peace out right now, and yeah, peace out.